Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to divide by dx. Next, I need to put this one go to the right. And why we put on the right? Oh sorry, we don't need to put this one in here, just put in here. Next, we need to divide both sides by negative x. So we have y, and first derivative of y we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that negative 1 over s next to y, that is about integrating factor. The integration of 1 over s dx, we have negative lnx. So we can put the negative side go inside the natural log in here. And we have 1 over s. That means we need to multiply both sides by 1 over s. So we have y over s squared. Similar for this one. Now we need to put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can apply about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So if we look carefully, this is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. The integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of this one, we have y over s. Now we just concentrate about this one only. So we can use about integration by parts. So we can put about u equals to lnx. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have dx over s. dv, we have 1 over s squared dx. The integration of this one, we have v equals to negative 1 over s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have du multiplied by v, but we have the negative side, negative with the negative, you got positive, and then we have the integration du multiplied by v. So we have the s over s squared. The integration of this one, you got negative 1 over s, and we put about c. So we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. Next, we simplify by s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.